Jeep Cherokee. We got a bad water pump. We start this up and let you hear what we got before we start operating. That's the racket we're taking care of here. Once I get this belt loose, we got a 15 millimeter here. We're gonna take 2 bolts out of the fan, which is 8, and that one's a zip tie. And we got a plug for electric fan. Take this 8 millimeter out of here, out of the fan. And we'll take that zip tie out of there, which doesn't belong. Get the bolt out. You just simply unplug the fan. And lift out of there. And then you're gonna have a 15 millimeter down here and a 15 here. We'll loosen the belt up. Actually, we're gonna take these 13s out of the fan first, so we got some resistance on it still. What I did was to use this pop bar. Just kind of stuck it behind this water pump here to get some prior room to break those 4 bolts loose there. And we'll take this one loose and take this one loose, and then we'll back the belt off there and we'll start working on this water pump. Get this bolt here and loosen it up. Once you take this one loose, turn this one, you're able to take the bolt off or the belt off. And you can start taking the other 4 bolts out. Well, I forgot to film, but got it out. I'm gonna scrape the gasket off, and we're gonna put it back on there. And I forgot to film. You got 4 bolts that actually hold this on here, and then you're gonna have 2 15 millimeter bolts here that goes on the water pump. That means bracket. 4 here on the water pump itself, 2 here on this bracket here. And note, I like to put a little bit of silicone here on these threads, right there. And then we'll just flick this pump back in there and tighten everything up. Well, I got it in there. A little bit of problems. Had to bend this bracket out a little bit, but I put a little bit of silicone and I put the gasket on the block, and that seemed to work pretty decent there, for me anyway. Put a little bead of silicone on the block, stick the gasket on there, and then pull this bracket back just a little bit with a pry bar. I just pry it right up between this exhaust bolt and on this metal bracket, just bent it back a little bit. I got it on. I got the 4 bolts in. I got to put these 2 15s in, and then we'll just tighten everything down. It looks like I'm going to wrap this video up. The battery's about to die. All we got is the pulley there and the fan, and we'll put the bolt back on. Thanks for watching. And just wanted to give you a quick update of, got the water pump on. I'm gonna start it up, fill it up with water, and see if we still got that noise. Well, it looks like we got it back together. It's definitely not making that noise, so I would say success here.